Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So till the last video, we have completed up to here. So in this video, we'll try to complete this. So right now, I want to make these cuts. So for that, I'm using this plane. So before that, just hide this part. And choose the position switch. Select this plane. Click on OK. Now unhide the part that you have hidden. That's it. Clean it. Now on the edges of this, so click on the project 3D elements option. Select this circle, this line, and this circle, this line, and this line, and this circle. That's it. Exit. So now what I have to do is same. I need to isolate it. So since the sketch is dependent on the dead solid, I want to make it independent. So for that, I'm choosing the isolate option. That's it. Now double click on the sketch again. Now you can edit it. Now what you have to do is, so you need to close this profile first. For that, take a line command and close the profiles like this. Right. So now after this, you have to constrain it everything. For that, I'm just hiding the planes and hiding the bodies, and make sure this line, and this line are coincidence with each other, and then this line and this line are coincidence with each other. Right. Now specify the distance between these two elements. That's it. And specify this distance also. That's it. Just don't delete it, don't make any dimensions. So whatever they are coming means we have to accept it. So because we don't know about our dimensions, the only thing that we are sure about this geometry, right? So, so this given the constraints is also a little bit not correct thing. But if I want to make constraint this, I need to give the relation. That's it. One radius, one tangential relation, and one distance. That's it. Radius, one tangential relation, and one distance. That's it. Exit. Unhide the parts. Just unhide this part only. This also. So you need to use this pocket option now and select this profiles. And so what? How much you need to extrude? So for that you need to measure it. So for that, right click on this measure box. So dimension box, and here you can see measure at or measure between. So select this option, and from here just hide the part first. Now select this plane and this plane. So how much it is? It is, so keep measure. So you need to turn this option off. So which is showing that the measurement is not associated. The result is copied as a value. So what it means, it will just copy this value and we don't associate. That means if these are changed means it won't change. So if we turn off this keep measure feature, so that's what I want. See, that is remove the material up to what I need. Click on preview, click on OK. And hide the part, you can see the result. See, that's it. But what about this? So just unhide this part, hide this also. We have removed the material up to here. That's fine. And we have to make this slot now. So for that, unhide this plane, unhide the both bodies, and click on the position sketch again. Hide this part and choose this plane. Click on OK. See, now what I have to do is I need to project this. So click on the project 3D elements option like this, and this. Click on exit. Make sure this sketch is isolated, that means independent, and constrain it again. So for that, for this line, I make sure these are coincidence relations. So this line and this line, make sure it is coincidence relation. Inside this line and this vertical, I'll just specify the distance. That's it. Horizontal adjust to this line, one distance is there. And from here to here, one distance is there. From here to here, one distance. Just accept the all values. So specify areas for all these and specify distance like this. Don't disturb anything here. See, these are two circles are selecting as two circles. So what I'm doing is just delete one circle and make another into construction. Do here also same. You can convert this into construction. And now put your circles. Which are not construction. Right. Like this. That's it. Now one more thing that I need to do is I need to constrain this outer circle to the dimension relation. That's it. That's it. Make sure this maybe radius is not specified for this. So radius is specified, still it is under constraint. So that means you have to select this concentricity. This is already concentricity. Okay, yes. That's it. That's it. Exit. And you need to remove now material. So up to which you need to measure it. Look on this plane, on this plane. So it is just one. So hide the part, hide the files. And I need to remove this material up to 1 mm. Up to only 1 mm. Click on preview, click on OK. That's it. So I need to remove this also. So for that what I'm doing is click on the pocket. So for that I'm doing click on the position sketch, select this plane, click on OK and extract these edges. So here we can maintain the dependencies. So because the dependencies are on this parametric model, that's why I'm keeping these dependencies. So click on the pocket and make sure up to next. Don't preview, click on open. If you delete this num part, what will happen? So it will delete. So no guys. there are dependencies that are maintaining. So we need to isolate it. We need to isolate it. Now unhide the part again. Let's try to delete this dump part. So see, it is deleted. That means there in our geometry, in our parametric model, no feature is have dependent on the dump feature. So that is what we want. So control Z for bringing it back. That's it. Now let's make these extrusions. So for that, what I'm doing is I will create a plane at here, and then we'll draw a sketch and extrude it. That's it. So before that, I need to, for adding the plane here, I need to measure it. So measure the distance between these two, this front plane. So maybe it is yes, front plane. So distance is 445. Copy that value, cancel it. Now click on the plane creation tab and select the front plane and paste the value. Paste not allowed. Click on this, the value 455. On create, on reverse direction, click on OK. See, right. So here what I'm doing is click on the position sketch again, select this plane, click on OK. Now extract these edges. Right. Click on the project 3D elements option and select this and this, and this. Here also. Is that just rotate and verify is that correct or not. That is correct. Then exit and isolate this and isolate this plane also. Right. Double click on the sketch again. Now we have to close it and constrain it. For that I'm using the trim option like this. And that's it. Now constrain it. So make sure these two lines are coincidence, and then this distance, and then this distance, and then this distance, and this, and this, finally this. Make sure this line and this line are concentric to each other. Coincidence. So that's it. Exit and add it up to next. Click on preview. Click on OK. See. So this is up to this. So this is a separate part. So one more thing I need to do here, and that is about let's hide this part and see. I need to cut this also. See here. So hide the part. You can see here. I need to cut this up to this depth. But what I'm doing is first of all hide this to make this cut. So for that what I'm doing is click on the position sketch, select this right plane, click on OK, reverse edge, click on OK. Let's extract the edges. So I want the edge of this. Okay, how can I choose this edge? Okay, this is the one edge. Just rotate it. Here you can see, observe that I want the edge of this. See, and similarly here also I need, right? Now exit, isolate the sketch, double click on the sketch, that's it. Hide the part if it is confusing. Now use the extend trim option like this. Now extend it properly, distance from this to this distance, and this is a distance, and this is about distance. Make sure this and this are horizontal and this is vertical. That's it. Everything is constrained. So exit and head of part. So this is head both parts. Now my sketch is here, but I want to cut from here. So what I do, simply use the pocket tool for cutting purpose and choose up to next option. Choose the profile. See, it is removing the material from directly from the reverse direction. So it is removing the material till here. So what I want to do is I want to leave. So I want to start from here. So in that case, click on the more and you can specify the distance between here to here in this segment. Right now I don't know it. So use the measure between and hide this part. And let's hide it. Let's measure it from this to my front plane. Right. So take this and 190 is the value. Click on OK. Click on OK here also. Let's see. Now if you click on not 190, so you have to put max up here. So click on preview. Click on OK. That's it. Now if you unhide this part, see, we don't have material up to here, right? Yes, that is only. That's it, guys. And talking about these fillets, and one thing is this brake pad. This is, so I don't want to. So we want to make it separately, and these blocks, there are top and bottom. These two blocks need to be made separately. And about these lock pins, they are also need to be created separately. So only thing that we need to do is, if you click on, just hide our parametric part, and if you click on this face, you can see there is a one circle. So which is defined a through hole from here to this. So right now we will make that hole. For that, what I'm doing is, so click on and hide our part. Click on the position sketch, set this plane, click on OK. Now hit the part, right? And hit the part. See, I want the project. So click on the project 3D elements option and select this phase, entire phase. That's it. Exit and make this sketch as independent. That means isolate. Double click on the sketch and edit it. So I don't want this. I don't want this also. And I don't want these things also. I don't want this also. I don't want this also. Right. So here this is not a single circle. So what I'm doing is make it into construction. And let's make a one circle like this. But before that, you need to constrain it. So from this to this, there is a distance. Still, it is not constrained. So, these 2 points are okay. To right click yellow symmetry lines, select this face. That's it. Now click on this, this. Make sure concentricity and coincidence. That's it. Exit and remove pocket. If it is a condition, click on preview, click on OK. That's it. If you hide this part, so see, you have as arrow. So which is a space for inner mechanism, right? Let's make this round part now. So for that, what I'm doing is click on the position sketch, hide this part, select this face, click on OK, and unhide the part, and project 3D elements option, select only this singular, exit, and make this sketch as isolate. Click on sketch to edit it again, make it as a construction. Let's construct this to this. There is some distance. Make sure this point and this point are symmetric about this. So since it is fully constructed, now let's make a single circle. Sorry guys, there is a small disturbance. That's why I have paused the video. So okay, so I take this extraction. Now exit. But before that, so we have isolated this, right? Yes, we have isolated and we have constrained this also. So but before that, I'm just hide this part, double click on this sketch again. Okay, exit. So what it is means, so it is acts as a cover, right? I don't know the mechanism, so I cannot say anything about this. So let's make it as a halo. But for that, click on this and hide this part and choose the pad option and use the measure between. Right click, measure between, choose this face and this face. So the result has been copied. Click on OK. See, the result has been copied. The sketch is not selected, so select the sketch. That's it. Click on preview. Click on so make sure it is thick option. So thickness is about 5. Click on preview. So okay. So untick this thick. So we'll do that thick later. Click on preview. Click on OK. That's it. Now we need a holes, but before that we even have to hide this. And here you can see this is not halo. So for making it a halo, what I'm doing is click on this pocket option and select this profile and choose the direction. So direction, for the direction you can choose any of the edge as your direction and choose a limit, right? So make sure it is a dimension, so not 122, so make it as 110. So click on preview. So that's it. Click on OK. That's it. That's it about this. So click on the isometric view at this part. Now, yes, next I want to add these fillets. So, but before that, so here you can see there are the two more sections are there. So, which is true. So, let's make this also. So, hide this part. Click on the position sketch, select this plane, and the sketch plane, click on OK, and hide this part. Let's make this one, right? So, click on the project 3D elements option, select this curve, and select one radius. That's it. And this line. That's it. Exit. Isolate the sketch. Click on the sketch again. Now trim this. Use the trim tool. And to trim this up to this. Trim this up to this. And trim this up to. See, these are not actually meeting. What you do is just extend this, and in the line segment you can see the bitangent line option. Double click on that command to keep it active. Select this and select this. That's it. In this way you can create one line based on that two circuits. Now trim this areas with the trim tool again. Select this. In this case you have to choose this line. That's it. This circle and this line. This circle arc and this line. This arc up to this line. Right. So that's it. So now to constrain it, right? So select this line. That's it. From this point to this vertical axis there is a distance, and also this is a one distance. This has a one radius. Arc has a one radius. This arc has one radius. This arc has one radius, and this arc has another radius. Still, it is not constraining means you need to give a few dimensions. Okay, so it will takes more times that way I am not constraining it. So exit. But when you are making parametric model, it is always must to constrain every single sketch. So now let's extrude it up to next. Click on preview to next. See the reverse direction. Click on preview. Click on OK. Right. Now the same thing on opposite side also. I can simply use the mirror tool and choose the pad as a first feature and choose the plane as a second. Click on preview. See, it has obtained in the bottom side also. The next thing is I want to make a one maybe click on mirror measure tool, select this plane and this. So there is no, so that's it, fine. So click on add this body once, body once. Click on the position sketch, select this plane, okay. And let's make a one circle again. Make sure it is concentricity. Let's make a one diameter as 25. Click on it, exit, and use the pocket tool. And make sure up to next. Preview. So just okay, up to last. Click on preview. Click on OK. Right. So this add matter. Right. That's fine. Is there anything left? So I need to see it once. So these holes I need to make. These holes I need to make. So let's make those things also. So I need to make a hole here also. So what I'm doing is, see, these two are the same, and this is difference. different one. So we need to, okay, what, how can I do this on the front view? So not front view, so right view, right? So I can choose this first circle. That's it. I can parent it. So, but this also I can do. But before that, I need extraction, right? So click on the position sketch, select this plane. Sorry, but before that, hide this body. Click on the position sketch, select this plane, click on OK. The sketch plane is not selected. Select it properly. Click on OK. And hide this body again. Let's make a point here first. On the double click on the points. I want a point right here, and one is here, one is here, and one is here. This is also one, right? Let's constrain this. Select this point and this circle. Make sure it is concentricity. So that's it. You can see the point is in green color. That's what I want. Concentricity. Select this and this, and make sure it is concentricity. Set this point and this circle and concentricity. Do here also concentricity. That's it. So So why I have taken these means I can use a one hole command for making the holes by this tool. And I can, so we can practically see this. So how I'm using this. So see, I'm just isolating this plane sketch. Click on the sketch again. Now constrain them again by hiding this body. Right? How can you constrain this? So it is in the same. Okay. Select this and this. That's it. It is in green color. That's it. Green color. That's it. Two dimensions are enough for constraining a point. That's it. Right. So okay. So every point is constrained properly. Exit, and I want to add a one hole. So click on this hole command and select this point. Sorry, click on the hole command and select this surface. And here you can see the point has selected automatically. So let's make it as click on the up to next condition, click on preview, make sure the diameter is about 15. So I'm not sure about those things, that's why I'm taking it randomly. Right, the first hole is complete. Let's compare this with this one. So let's measure this one. So it is giving 9 mm radius, that means 18 mm will be diameter. Okay, so 15 is enough. The first we have make this one, and we will keep 15 for these two also, and we will keep 10 for this and 12 for this. At this body, click on the whole command and select this face. Okay, and the positioning you have to select no. Exit, and you can select this point. Okay, for the positioning, what you have to do is click on this point and this point, and make sure these are concentricity relation is not here. So not move. Why? Let's cancel this, and use the whole command and use this. If you click on this, can you able to move it? Yes, you can move it. So now double click on the dimension constraint, select this point, and make sure it is constant coincidence. So this is a one diameter, so this is about 15. So not 10 only, it is 10 only. Diameter is 10, and make sure it is up to next. Click on preview, click on OK. That's it. So maybe this is also same. So for that, what I'm doing, use the user pattern option. So user pattern, and choose this whole positions. It is asking about positions. Mm, so here it is we have to suppose it to we supposed to add it as a 10 only, so it is 10 actually, so that is fine. Click on the whole tool again, select the surface, click on OK, and choose the positioning, and make sure drag it and place it like here. Double click and select these 2 points and make sure it is coincidence, and that's it. Here is also 10. Click on OK. And here you have to put it as a 12 diameter hole. Click on this surface, use the OK, click on position sketch. Here 15 I want to use. So double click, select this point and this, and make sure it is coincidence. Exit and make it as 12. Click on preview, click on OK. Now let's count it. How many holes I need to make here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 I need to make, right? So use the circular pattern, and objective pattern is must be this one hole only. See, it is making the hole up to here, so maybe it is not so cancel it, double click, maybe it is not 15, so maybe it is more than less than like this, not even 8. What if it is 5? Okay, see the 5, if it is 5 means is this okay? Yes, you can keep it as 5. That's it. Actually, I don't know about what is what how this cover will be inserted to this, but generally maybe this extrusion has a more space innerly, so that may be possible, but I don't know the exactly. So what I can do is I can pattern this, or I can, yes, I can pattern this. Objective pattern is must be this whole only, and reference I can choose any circular as references, and choose instances as 12, and make sure it is complete one. Click on preview, click on OK. That's it. 12 holes generated. Right. Let's make 2 more holes at these instances. So when you do this, so you have an option. Click on the hole and select the surface, and click on OK, position in, and use the Dimension constraint, select this point, select these 2 points, and make sure point spans exit. And make sure it is 15. Click on preview, click on OK. Right. So you can use the mirror for this, or else you can use the whole tool one more time. Let me use the whole tool again. Exit 15 up to next, click on preview, click on OK. That's it. The now hide this sketch. That's it. So maybe the mistake is these holes. So let's modify it. So according to our drawing, so I want these holes to be much bigger. Double click on the hole, make it as 12. Okay, see, if it is 12 means that is completely fine for me. And if you rotate it, it seems like this. So for that, what I have to do is double click on the hole and positioning. What I'm doing is, so just delete this constraint and distance, and the distance I'm changing this as 110. That's it. Exit. Click on preview, click on OK. That's it. Still yes. So that is only the dimension that we have changed here. So let's add the fillets now. For that, unhide the body. Right. So here is the one fillet. So click on the fillet option. Add this body and select this face. Maybe all are same fillets. So I don't know though. I didn't measure them, but I'm adding them. Right. How can you measure that? So right click, measure item, and go to snap visual space and choose the fillet. So this one, make sure this option is enabled. And this, so I am not able to select it. So otherwise what you can do is cancel it, symmetric view, just measure once and add the fillets manually. So click on the this option and measure and choose this. That's it. The radius, what it is showing or not. See, the radius is 20. Click on exit and hide this part and hide our parametric model. And add the fillets here once, and here once, here once. 20 preview. Okay, that's it. So everything is enough. So let's cross check once. Right. So it seems like everything is almost okay. Right. So what you have to do is just save one copy, save 2 copies. So because I want to delete this from this one copy, I want to make this non-parametric model from one copy. I want to keep it as another copy, right? So file, save as, choose a location. In my case, so let me go to CAD and breaks. The first one here, make one new folder So name I will give later. So this will main body. Okay. Yes. See, the main body has created. Now you just save another copy also. So, copy. And so let's close this. So this is our assembly. So you can keep it active and use the file open and open one body, so that we have saved two files, right? So in the main body, double click to open it. So from this main body, what I'm doing is I'm just deleting this dump body. That's it. See, this is my parametric model now. So control S to keep it saved, right? So exit. That's it. And another copy for what purpose? So the another copy is for, you can see these things. So these are included in the part models. I want to make them separately. That's why I have kept in another copy, right? So that's it for this video. So it's been half an hour. So that's why I'm just I will just continue with another video. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.